Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at using the method of factoring to solve a quadratic equation. So, if I take the equation 2x squared plus 7x equals 4. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do for just about any method of solving a quadratic equation is we need to make one of the sides 0. So I'm going to do that by subtracting 4 from both sides. Get 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. And now we'll go ahead and factor this. So let's see, I know I'm going to have something with a 2x and something with an x. Let's see, making this a plus 4 and this a minus 1 will do it. And now we need to look at a property of the real numbers that says if AB equals 0, then A equals 0 or B equals 0. So, we can set each of these factors equal to 0. And then solve both of them for x. So here I add 1 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. And here I subtract 4 from both sides. And then our textbook likes to write this as a solution set. 1/2 negative 4. And we use curly braces here because those are distinct numbers. So that's solving an equation by factoring. In the next video, we're going to solve an equation by completing the square.